did you know that with Copilot Cowork you can also create a reporting dashboard from your Excel just by asking the questions? Here I have an Excel file with the banking data for a company, and I'm asking it to create me a reporting dashboard based on the data. You can define what kind of reporting dashboard you want to have and what kind of data you have. So based on that one, you can create different kind of analytics and different kind of report for your purposes. Now it's gonna be starting to look the data. It could be any kind of a data, but it's gonna be analyzing what you have. And it's gonna be loading all of the data to your HTML file, which means that if you share the HTML file, which is gonna be output, you're gonna be also sharing the data what you have in the Excel. So that's why it's important to remember that can you share it and how to make this data safe. But here it's now analyzing it already, and it started to create the dashboard. And the dashboard is gonna be looking based on your description, so you can also modify that one later if you want to. Now it has created the file, and it's explaining what it has also been doing. In some cases, when you try to open the file, it may give you some kind of error message, as it is in here gonna be saying that it's not able to open it. But you can do it and open it from download, so you can download it. So the file is in the output folder, or then in my case I put it in download, and then I just open it in the internet browser when it's done. And now it's the browser, so this is the HTML page, and you can see that if you want to have the data visualized, this is one of the fastest and easiest way to do it. And here you can also go and change the categories, channels, different kind of data. Depending on your data, it gives you the filters. And you can also export the data to CSV file for something else. So this is quite easy to do, and it's always living document. So when you need to change the filters, it changes in the paragraphs and graphics also based on your needs. And there's also reload from Excel, meaning that if you need to update the data, you can just reload it from the previous Excel or updated Excel. So this is one easy way to create your reporting dashboard.